Well, I tilled up the prairie, chased off the bees, sprayed every dandelion down to its knees, planted rows of corn in a pesticide bath. Now the soil's deader than my granddad's laugh. And it's the Roundup, Rodeo, and the GMO show where nothing nutritious is allowed to grow. I kill the weeds that wanna feed my kin while begging weak plants to grow back in. Oh Lord, I'm fighting eating with a tractor again. Bought a drone that sprays from dawn to dusk, trying to stop the clover from beating the husk. Built a scarecrow with a Bluetooth brain, but the squirrels just laugh and steal my grain. Yeah, it's the Roundup, Rodeo, and the GMO show. My spinach glows green in the dark, you know. Burned the forest and I paved the creek. Now I'm wondering why my yields look weak. Oh Lord, I'm killing nature with a plastic plan. There's kale in the ditch and mint on the fence, but I pay for seeds that don't make sense. Chop down food, call it a pest, then fertilize what's second best. My cows don't moo, just snort and twitch. They're lab-born beef from a petri dish. I cuss the wind and I soothe the rain, but God don't care about my domain. Grow. We paved paradise, said make it a mall, then wondered why the soil won't answer the call. Oh Lord, I'm monocrop man.